Whether you are an employer or employee, you must be maintaining attendance sheet. And to maintain attendance sheet, Excel is the best tool. Nowadays, biometric system is getting followed in most of the places. But to maintain the records, attendance sheet in Excel is must. In today's video, we will see how we can create a fully dynamic attendance sheet in Excel. Till date, I have created many types of attendance sheet, but this one is totally different. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. This is an attendance sheet which I have created in advance. Before creating the new format, let's see how it works. On the top, we have got month and year, and both the things will be managed through drop-downs. Just under that, we have got the option to select our week offs, and both the week offs will be managed through drop-downs. In case you have just one week off, select none over here, and only Sundays will be counted as week offs. Whatever week off will be selected, it will be highlighted in the main sheet. If I'll select none over here also, none of the days will be highlighted. Earlier I had selected Saturday and Sunday. Suppose that I'll select Friday, then Fridays will be highlighted. One more thing will be highlighted, and that will be our holidays. On 1st of January, we have got holiday of New Year, and the whole column is highlighted. When I change the month, we'll do it February, none of the holidays are highlighted, as there are no holidays. I'll do this January. Over here we have got month start date, and I have kept the start date as 1st. And in the main format, our attendance sheet is starting from 1st of January. If I'll do this 16th, enter, our attendance sheet is starting from 16th of January. And when I'll come to right hand side, the end date is 15th of February. I'll come to left, total days over here is 31. If I'll do this February, total days got changed to 29. I'll undo this. Below that we have got total days and total working days, total holidays and week offs. And just below that, we have got our total present, total absent, total paid leaves and total unpaid leaves. In case you want to insert more heads, you can. When we come to right hand side, over here we have to insert our employee ID, employee name and their designation. And in the main format, you have to do the entry. I'll put P, enter. When I inserted P, total of one present got counted over here. One more thing in this format, wherever we have to do the entry, we will have to double click over there, and the entire row will be highlighted. For 12 months, we have got 12 sheets. In case you are thinking that just by changing the month from the drop down, the whole data will be empty, it's not going to be empty because I haven't used any macros or VBA code. So for 12 months, we have got 12 sheets, and in the end, we have got our annual sheet or annual summary. To create this format, we will need some data, and for that I have created setting sheet. In setting sheet, we will have weekdays, months, years, and our holidays list. Let's start creating a new format now. I have inserted a new workbook. We'll rename the sheet as settings. We'll take data of settings from my example file. We'll copy the data from here, Ctrl C or Command C, and we'll go to my blank format. And we'll paste over here, Ctrl V or Command V. We'll go to View, Show, and we'll remove the grid lines. Now let's see what all we have got in our setting sheet. Over here we have got our weekdays from Monday to Sunday, and on top of that we have got none. Months from January to December, and years I am starting from 2024. After that we have got our holidays list. In holidays list I have taken dates and holidays name. So this is all about setting sheet. We'll insert another sheet, and this will be January. We'll take column A closer, we'll click on B2, and we'll select C also, and we'll merge this together, and we'll drag this till 8. We'll insert borders. We'll click on D2 and we'll select E also, and we'll select till row number 8. We'll insert borders. This will be month and year, week offs, month start date, end date, total days, total working days, total holidays and week offs. We'll adjust the column size. We'll select from top to bottom and we'll align this in left. We'll click next to month and year. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list. Source, we'll go to my setting sheet and we'll select months from top to bottom, means from January to December, and we'll do OK. The drop down of months got created. I'll select January. We'll click next to January. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list. Source, we'll go to setting sheet and we'll select years from top to bottom, and we'll do OK. Drop down of years got created. We'll select 2024. We'll go to home and we'll align this in center. We'll align name of month in center. Week offs, we'll select both the cells. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list. source. We'll go to setting sheet and we'll select week offs from top to bottom. On top of week offs, we have got none. Now we will do OK. So the drop down list got created. I'll select none. Over here also, I'll select none. We'll select from top to bottom. We'll go to home and we'll align all the things in center. We'll select all and we'll put some color. We'll leave this selected. We'll go to home. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll type none. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select light gray color and font will be same, means light gray, and we'll do OK. OK. So whenever it will be none, nothing will be visible, and whenever it will be some weekday, it will be visible. I'll select both the cells and we'll put some color. We'll change the font color. So whenever it will be none, nothing will be visible. We'll undo this. Month start date. Over here we will put some figure. I'll put the figure as 1. Enter. We'll click just after 1 and we'll insert the formula for first date, and the formula will be plus or equal to date value. Bracket open. I'll click on 1, what I have inserted right now, and we'll click on month and we'll click on year. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. I got some random figure. We'll click on random figure and we'll select next cell also, and we'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. Now we can see month start date over here as 1st of January. End date. I'll insert my end date over here, plus or equal to EO month, means end of the month. Bracket open. Start date. Start date will be 1st of January, comma 0. Bracket close. Plus, we'll click on month start date, but we will not click over here, we will click over here. Minus 1. Enter. So we got end date as 31st of Jan. Whenever we will change the month, February, both the things, means start date as well as end date, will change. We'll do the month as January. Over here, I'll put plus or equal to and we'll click over here. Enter. Over here also I got 31st Jan 2024. We'll click over here. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to custom. We'll delete this and we'll put DD, means D 2 times, and we'll do OK. So now we can see month start date as 1st and end date as 31st. Perfect. Total days. I'll select both the cells and we'll merge this together. We'll drag this down. In total days, total working days, total holidays and week offs, we will insert the formulas later on. We'll select both and we'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. Perfect. We'll take row number 9 closer. This will be total present, total absent, total paid leaves. We'll select the whole sheet and we'll wrap the text. We'll select row number 10 and we'll align all the things in center. We'll increase size of column number B. This will be total unpaid leaves. I'll drag this and we'll do this unpaid. Enter. We'll increase the column size. We'll decrease row size. Total present code will be P. For absent, A. Paid leaves, PL. Unpaid leaves, UL. Whatever code you want to insert, you can. In case you want to insert more heads, it can be inserted easily. We'll select the whole sheet. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll type P. We'll click on drop down and we'll select green fill with dark green text and we'll do OK. So P got highlighted in green. We'll select the whole sheet once again, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and this time I'll type A. For A, we will select light red fill with dark red text and we'll do OK. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to PL. For PL, we will select yellow fill with dark yellow text and we'll do OK. Now only unpaid leaves are pending. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type UL. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here we will select a desired color and we'll keep font as white. OK. OK. So all the codes got highlighted. We'll select this and we'll create borders. We will put some color in total present, total absent, total paid leaves and total unpaid leaves. Perfect. We'll take column F closer. We'll click just after total unpaid leaves and we'll select next cell also. We'll merge this together. We'll put borders. We'll drag this till J. This will be serial number, employee ID or code, employee name. We'll increase the column size and this will be designation. In case you have got more heads, you can insert easily. We'll select all and we'll put some light shade. Let's come to right hand side. Over here we will insert our dates and days. First date will be plus or equal to we will click over here and we'll hit enter. We got our first date. We'll click next to first date and we'll insert the formula for second date, and the formula will be plus or equal to if bracket open, we'll click on first date is smaller than, we'll click on last date which is 31st of January in our case. We'll press F4 or function F4 and the cell will be logged, comma. We'll click on first date once again plus 1, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got some random figure. We'll press Ctrl 1, we'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. In dates we don't want name of month and year, so we'll select both. We'll press Ctrl 1, we'll go to custom, we'll delete this and we'll put DD, means D 2 times, and we'll do OK. Now we can see 01 and 02. We'll click on top of first date and we'll insert the formula per day, and the formula will be plus or equal to text bracket open, we'll click on first date, comma, double inverted comma DDD, means D 3 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We got Monday. We'll drag this till second date also. Perfect. We'll select both the columns from top and we'll adjust the column size. We'll click on second date and we'll select second day also, and we'll drag this till 31st. We'll insert borders. We'll click on first day and we'll select first date also. We'll press Shift Ctrl right arrow key and we'll put some light shade. We'll select from 1st till 31st and we'll adjust the column size. We'll come to left. We'll put borders over here also. We'll click on G and we'll select till I. We'll select till row number 5 and we'll merge this together. This will be attendance sheet. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll increase the font size. We'll click just under attendance sheet and we'll select H also. We'll select till row number 8 and we'll merge this together. Over here also we will merge the cells. This will be plus or equal to, we'll click on month's name, enter. We'll click over here, plus or equal to, we'll click on year, enter. We'll select both the cells and we'll change the color. We'll change the font color. We'll create borders. We'll increase the font size. We'll create borders over here also. We'll click on J2 and we'll select till row number 8. We'll merge this together. This will be holidays. Enter. We'll click on holidays and we'll change the orientation, angle anti-clockwise. We'll put some color over here. Now we will click next to holidays and we'll select till row number 8. We'll merge this together. We'll drag this till end, means till 31st. Perfect. We'll come to left. Over here we will insert our holidays, and for holidays I am going to use VLOOKUP. Plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. First date will be our lookup value, comma, table array. We will go to our setting sheet and we select holidays list from top. We'll press F4 or function F4 and the range will be logged, comma, column index number. The selection of VLOOKUP started from dates. So dates will be column index number 1 and holidays name will be column index number 2. I'll put 2 over here, comma, 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket. But before hitting enter, we will insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We can see new year, means we got our first holiday. We'll go to home and we'll change the orientation. Rotate text up. We'll decrease the font size. We'll wrap the text. Perfect. Now we will drag this till end. We will leave this selected. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule. From here we will select equal to, and from the drop down we will select not equal to, and over here we will put double inverted comma twice for blank. Means if the cell will not be equal to blank, it should be highlighted. We'll click on drop down, customized format, fill. From here I'll select blue color and font I'll keep as white, and we'll do OK. OK. All the cells got highlighted. Let's go back to conditional formatting once again. Manage rules. This is the rule what we have inserted right now. We'll click on edit rule. We had inserted double inverted comma twice, but there's a major issue with conditional formatting. Whenever we insert double inverted comma twice, it takes more than 2 double inverted commas. So we will have to delete extra double inverted commas. And we'll keep just 2 double inverted commas. And we'll do OK. OK. So now our holidays are highlighted. First is New Year, it's highlighted. And 26th is Republic Day, it's also highlighted. We'll come to left. We'll go to home. And we'll insert light grey color over here. We'll go to conditional formatting once again. Manage rules. We'll click on this rule of holiday, edit rule, customize format. We'll go to border and we'll select border from here. OK, OK, OK. So borders got inserted just in the name of holidays. We'll create outside border. Over here also we will create borders. Perfect. Serial number 1, enter. We'll drag this till 10. Fill series. We'll put 10, enter. We'll adjust the size of designation. We'll click on serial number. We'll press shift control, down arrow key, right arrow key, and we'll create borders. Over here also I'll create borders. Alignment of weekdays got changed. We'll select from 1st till 31st and we'll increase the column size. Perfect. We'll come to left. All the things got done over here. Whenever we will insert P, it will be automatically highlighted in green. A got highlighted in red, PL got highlighted in yellow, and UL means unpaid leave. It also got highlighted. Now it's time to insert our formulas over here. We'll click just under total present and the formula will be plus or equal to 𝐶𝐓, bracket open, range. Our range will start from 1st and the range will be from 1st till 31st. We'll press function F4 or F4 3 times, comma. We'll click on code of total present. We'll press function F4 2 times. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We can see one over here. We'll align this in center. We'll drag this down and we'll drag this till unpaid leaves. In the cells where there is no entry, we can see 0. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to custom. We'll delete general and we'll type #, semicolon, #, semicolon, dash, and we'll do OK. So instead of 0, we can see dash. In case you don't want dash also, press Ctrl 1, delete dash and semicolon and put dash now and do OK. So zeros and dash got vanished. We'll undo this. Ctrl Z or Command Z. Now we will go on top. Total days. The formula will be plus or equal to 𝐶𝐓, bracket open. We'll select days. In case you want to select dates, you can. So let's select dates from 1st till 31st, comma. Here we will use wildcard of 𝐶𝐓. So I'll put double inverted comma, star, question mark, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and I'll hit enter. So we got 31 days. What will happen if I'll put question mark just before star, enter? Result is same. Now it's totally up to you where you want to put question mark, before star or after star. When I'll change the month, we'll do it February. We can see 29 days. We'll keep it as January. Total working days. The formula will be plus or equal to 𝐶𝐓, bracket open. We'll click on first day and we'll select the last, comma. We'll come to left. We are going to manage our week offs from here. So I'll click on Saturday, bracket close, plus we'll copy this formula, Ctrl C or Command C. We'll come to the end and we'll paste over here, Ctrl V or Command V, and we'll hit enter. We can see total 8. Means we are able to see our week offs, total week offs. We'll go to formula bar and we'll click on total days minus, we'll take this in bracket. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we can see 23. One more thing is pending and that is our holidays. We will have to reduce our holidays also, or we will have to subtract our holidays also. So we'll go to formula bar minus. We are going to put our total holidays over here. So I'll click just after total holidays and week offs and we'll hit enter. Still we can see 23. Let's put our formula over here and the formula will be plus or equal to 𝐶𝐓, bracket open. Over here also we will use wildcard of 𝐶𝐓. So we'll select from first holiday till last of the month or end of the month, comma, double inverted comma, question mark, star, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We'll come to left. Earlier it was 23, now we can see 21. If I'll delete this, figure of 23 is just in front of us. I'll undo this. Total week offs. Let's go to total working days and copy this formula. Ctrl C or Command C and we'll paste over here. We'll put equal to and we'll paste our formula, Ctrl V or Command V, and we'll hit enter. So total week offs is 8 and total holidays is 2. We'll come to right hand side. Now we will highlight our week offs and holidays. We'll click on first day, we'll select till end and we'll select till 31st. We'll come to left, we'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will select classic. In case you are using Windows, you will not be getting the option of classic. Instead, you will be diverted to next step, and that is use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be plus or equal to, we will click on first day of the month. We will delete $ from the beginning, is equal to, we will come to left and we will click on first week of. We will take this in bracket, we will copy this formula, Ctrl+C or Command+C, we will come to the end, plus we will paste the formula what we have copied right now, Ctrl+V or Command+V. We will delete cell reference from end and we will click on our second week off. We will click on drop down, customize format, fill, from here we will select red color, font will be white and we will do OK. OK. So our Saturdays and Sundays got highlighted. Now we will highlight our holidays. We will go to conditional formatting once again, new rule, we will select classic and from here we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be, we will take this down, plus or equal to, we will click on first holiday. We will remove $ from the beginning, not equal to. For not equal to, we will insert smaller than greater than, not equal to blank. For blank, I'll put double inverted comma twice. We'll take this on top, we'll click on drop down, customize format, fill, we'll select blue color from here, font will be white and we'll do OK. OK. So my holidays also got highlighted. Earlier I inserted P on first and first is holiday. In case you don't want to do the entry, just delete this, and in case you want to do the entry, I'll undo this, and you want to keep the highlight of P, just go to conditional formatting, manage rules. This is the rule what we have inserted right now. Click on the rule, go on top in right hand side, you will be able to see down arrow key and up arrow key. Click on down arrow key and take this down and do OK. Now P got highlighted. I'll delete this. I'll delete all. We'll go to view, show and we'll remove the grid lines. Perfect. We'll come to left. Format of January is ready. Now we will create copies. To create copy, there are a couple of ways. First way is click on month name, right click the mouse, move or copy, move to end, create a copy, OK. So copy got created. Second way, press Alt and drag this. You can create as many copies as you want. So we will create 12 copies for 12 months and 1 copy for annual. We'll go to January. This is perfect. This will be February. And in the same way, I'll rename the sheet till annual. We'll create 1 more copy for annual. Perfect. We'll go to February and we'll change the month from top, February. We'll do the same thing for all the months. Perfect. So all the sheets got renamed as well as months got changed. We'll come to annual. Over here, dates are not required. So we'll delete all. Delete. We'll delete this. We'll come to left. We'll click on row of total days. Just above that, rest of the things are not required. So I'll delete all. Means I'll delete all the rows from top. Delete. We'll delete all the formulas. We'll select this. We'll go to home and we'll merge this. This will be annual summary. Enter. We'll create borders. We'll delete all the formulas. Total days. Formula will be plus or equal to sum, bracket open. We'll go to January sheet and we'll click on total days over here. We'll press shift and we'll click on sheet of December. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got total 366 days. We'll drag this down. Total holidays and week offs. Plus or equal to sum, bracket open. We'll go to January and we'll click on total holidays. We'll press shift. We'll click on sheet of December. We'll close the bracket. Enter. Perfect. We'll drag this in next cell also. So total holidays 17, total week offs 104. Total present plus or equal to sum, bracket open. We'll go to January and we'll click on present of first employee. We'll press shift. We'll go to December. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll drag this down and we'll drag this to right. So all the things are done and our format is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. But the download option is only for channel members. To download this file, you can join channel membership. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.